Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to the new video of English speaking classes. I know you want to speak in English and I'm here to train. But you need to pay attention towards learning English speaking. And the attention is consciousness. You have to be conscious that what you are reading, what you are doing. And you have to be positive towards all the journey of your English speaking learning. So let's start today's video with some advanced English words which is very important to improve your fundamentals of English as well as your foundation so that you can speak English like native speaker. First word for the day: ebullient, bubbling with excitement. A boiling liquid can be called ebullient. Eccentric, not conventional. The eccentric inventor spent all his working hours fighting with what he said. Eclectic, choosing the best from many sources. Zeke's taste in art was eclectic. He liked the old masters. Edify, enlighten to instruct, especially in moral. We found the pastor's sermon on the importance of not eating beans. Efface, to erase, to rub away the features. The inscription of tombstone had been effaced by centuries of weather. Effusion, a pouring forth. When the child was rescued from the well, there was an intense effusion. Egalitarian, believing in the social and economic equality. People often lose interest in egalitarian. Egocentric, selfish. Louis was egocentric that he could never give anyone else credit for doing anything. And the final word you have heard in the Netflix series, egregious. And the word is extremely bad. Save this word for things that are worse than bad. The bad of all time, you can say. The baddest. So, we have told you so many words. You have listened in your daily life. And you can use these words in your next English speech. But you need to write down these words in your notebook with the meaning and try to make a sentence. Because until and unless you won't try to make a sentence, you will not be able to speak in English. Then, after completing this vocabulary exercise, you should read English newspaper every day, which will really going to improve your confidence. And then you can jump into the listening exercise. You can listen English media. I basically watch BBC News. You can watch whatever you like: BBC, CNN, NDTV 24/7. And finally, speak up. Speak with your friends, your neighbor, those who can understand in English. Because as much as you will speak, as much as you will grow. So English is very important to improve your speaking exercise. If you really want to get a job in corporate sector or MNC, or you want to go for overseas studies, so English is a base. English is a foundation which can help you to get successful in your life. So I hope you will like the video of today. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.